while China builds entire cities in weeks and South Korea launches satellites like clockwork. America has a secret weapon that most companies don't even know exists. Hidden across our manufacturing floors and engineering facilities is a 40,000-strong force of elite professionals ready to deploy at a moment's notice. This isn't just another workforce. This is America's digital platoon, and it's revolutionizing how we compete on the global stage. Traditional hiring takes months. Critical projects stall while companies wait for the right talent. Meanwhile, smart American manufacturers have discovered something that changes everything: immediate access to battle-tested automation experts who transform projects from concept to completion in record time. We're talking about seasoned robotics engineers who've programmed systems for Ford, PLC specialists who've optimized production lines for Boeing, AI integration experts who've automated manufacturing for Johnson & Johnson. They're not sitting in corporate offices waiting for traditional job postings. They're part of an agile, on-demand network that deploys faster than any hiring process ever could. The numbers are staggering. Over 8,000 robotics engineers, 12,000 PLC programmers, 6,000 vision system specialists, 4,000 industrial IoT experts, each one ready to contribute on day one. No lengthy onboarding. No hoping they'll work out after 6 months. When Tesla needs to rapidly scale automation, they don't wait for 6-month hiring cycles. When Boeing faces critical production challenges, they access specialists with exact experience immediately. When pharmaceutical companies needed automation experts during vaccine rollout, the Digital Platoon delivered professionals who understood both FDA compliance and high-speed systems. This is how America wins the technology race, not by hoping our traditional systems work faster, but by deploying a fundamentally superior approach that our competitors simply cannot match. While other companies struggle with recruitment timelines, forward-thinking manufacturers are accessing America's secret weapon right now. The 40,000-strong Digital Platoon stands ready to deploy. The question isn't whether this approach will become standard, it's whether your company will be among the early adopters who gain maximum competitive advantage or among the late adopters playing catch-up. America's secret weapon is ready. Are you ready to deploy it? Register today at automateamerica.com. Have a wonderful day.